The theme of this session, as you know, is war diaries and nationalism. When we studying, say here for MBA, we are all looking for our own personal growth and career and personal development. But wherever we will be in future, we will have to identify ourselves with our country. And when you strongly identify yourself with what your country needs from you, we start talking about nationalism and Rashtravad. So what we are going to talk here is that working in our own profession, how we can also contribute towards nation building. The uniqueness of this forum, this particular panel, is that we have people from diverse areas. From the field of glamour, we have Abhijit ji, a person who has dedicated his full life to ABVP and working as a full-time pracharak, making his own effort in nation building. Then we have General Saab, who has actually fought for the country in difficult terrains, and we have Manju ji, who is a housewife plus social activist plus author, writing on the same subject of nationalism. So we will have a few rounds of discussion, but first round we will just want to have their own experiences of working in their own field and how do they contribute to this nation building and what is their own concept of this nationalism and Rashtravad. So though Manju ji came late, but we can begin from her. Because she has written a book on Paramveer, all the Paramveer Chakra Vijetas of our army, armed forces. She has written a book on that. So let us begin with her from this subject.
Now you know, if the army is led by such a general, we can defeat any enemy. You will also be happy to know that Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji appointed a high-level committee under the chairmanship of Lieutenant General Shekatkar ji for restructuring the armed forces. You will also happy to know that he has submitted restructuring of armed forces report to the Prime Minister and Defence Minister just 1 week back. And in this session, I am going to ask questions about what is there in that report. And I hope he will reply. This will be the first time for the open public, somebody will be talking about that report. And of course, he will not talk about something which is very strategic, but he will definitely talk about what it contains about some general matters. But before we go there, we have two more speakers. So we have Sunil Ambekar ji. You can just imagine that if you are so much driven by feeling, an emotion, that you devote all your life for nation building. You don't get married, you don't earn your livelihood, and you simply give up your life for nation building. So we have a person with us, Sunil Ambekar ji, who became a full-time pracharak of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and then ABVP, and he has devoted all his life. We think of nation maybe 1 hour or 2 hours in a day, but a person who thinks of the nation 24 hours a day. अभिजीत जी ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड को प्रेजेंट करते हैं और हमें ऐसा लगता है कई बार कि वहाँ पर सब कुछ एक बहुत ही अच्छे वातावरण में चल रहा है, सब कुछ अच्छा है और हम सब उसका हिस्सा भी होना चाहते हैं। लेकिन जब अंदर रह कर के जब व्यक्ति वहाँ काम करता है तो वहाँ पर भी उनको ऐसे कई एलिमेंट्स दिखाई देते हैं जो उनको लगता है कि जो राष्ट्र विरोधी काम कर रहे हैं। लेकिन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कई लोगों को इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती कि जो सच्चाई है उसको वो कह सके। अभिजीत जी ने इस बात को शुरू से पहचाना और उन्होंने हिम्मत से जब कभी भी इंडस्ट्री में, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कुछ भी गलत हुआ, उसका उन्होंने बहुत ही वोकल प्रतिरोध किया। उसके कारण उनको बहुत कुछ कष्ट भी उठाने पड़े, लेकिन इसी एक खूबी के कारण आज उनका जो व्यक्तित्व है, देश में कभी भी कुछ समस्या ऐसी होती है कि किसी ने कुछ कह दिया तो सारे टीवी चैनल्स अभिजीत जी के घर की तरफ जाते हैं कि इस विषय में अभिजीत जी का क्या कहना है। तो अभी मैं अभिजीत जी से विनती करूंगा कि वो अपने विषय रखें इसी विषय पर, लेकिन उसके साथ में मंजू जी की स्टाइल अपनाते हुए कुछ पंक्तियां भी बोल दें तो सबको बड़ा आनंद भी होगा।